Hi everyone, and welcome to Imran.Family Kitchen. Today we are going to show you how to make a delicious Middle Eastern grilled chicken salad. This salad is packed full of flavor and is the perfect dish for the summer. You're going to love this one, so let's move on to the recipe now. Place the sliced grilled chicken pieces over the salad and drizzle the aromatic dressing around. Gently give the salad a toss and then enjoy immediately. This Middle Eastern chicken salad was seriously so delicious and is ideal for the summer or even after a gym workout. Consider hitting the like button if you enjoyed today's recipe. And with that, catch you in the next one.